Allstate Extended Auto Warranty Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Today we're dissecting Allstate's Extended Auto Warranty, officially known as their Vehicle Service Contract, VSC. It's crucial to distinguish this from a manufacturer's warranty, which comes standard with new cars. Allstate's VSC is designed for vehicles beyond their factory warranty period, offering financial protection against unexpected mechanical breakdowns. Key features include several coverage tiers, ranging from powertrain-only protection to comprehensive, near-factory-level coverage, often called exclusionary plans, which name what isn't covered rather than what is. Allstate allows you to choose your deductible, impacting the monthly premium. They often include benefits like roadside assistance, towing, and rental car reimbursement, making breakdowns less disruptive. The VSC's value hinges on your vehicle's reliability history and your risk tolerance. It's ideally suited for owners of vehicles with a known history of mechanical issues, those who drive high mileage annually, or individuals on a fixed budget who want predictable car repair costs. However, it's less compelling for owners of newer, reliable vehicles still under factory warranty, or those comfortable with self-insuring against potential repairs. A significant strength is Allstate's established reputation and financial stability. Filing claims is generally straightforward, and their network of approved repair facilities is extensive. However, a common drawback is the cost. Extended warranties can be expensive, and you need to weigh the premium against the likelihood and cost of potential repairs. Pre-existing conditions are never covered, and the contract will specify which parts and systems are included or excluded. Furthermore, using non-approved repair shops can void the warranty. Another potential weakness lies in the fine print. Pay close attention to the specific components covered, the claim procedures, and any exclusions based on usage or maintenance. For example, using your vehicle for commercial purposes might invalidate the contract. The value of an Allstate VSC comes down to individual circumstances. If you own a high-mileage vehicle prone to breakdowns and desire peace of mind, it can be a worthwhile investment. If your car is newer, reliable, and you're comfortable handling potential repair bills, it may not be the best use of your money. Ultimately, comparing quotes from Allstate and other providers like CarShield or Endurance is crucial. Thoroughly read the contract, understand the terms and conditions, and make an informed decision based on your vehicle's needs and your financial situation. Don't feel pressured. Take your time to weigh the pros and cons before committing.